Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So for those who don't know, I'm Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another exclusive. So we're on Kingston Spring Road, gonna do an update on a commercial development. You guys will see a lot more in a second or two. So thanks for joining another video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the ads, and thanks for all your support, guys. Remember, subscribing is free, and that's the easiest way to support the channel. Remember to like and comment. So let's jump into some more shots of the coverage for today. Alright guys, so this is the development. So basically we're in front of 106 to 110 Kingston Spring Road in Kingston. So this is said to be a mega supermarket based on size and adjoining retail shops. They put up a billboard now, so we'll be able to see the finished look. Obviously we're gonna send up the drone as well so you guys can get some aerial shots. Let's try zoom into the billboard. So that's the billboard. So retail shops available for lease. So they have elevator, open floor plan, so I guess you get to fix it up however you want to. Generator, basement parking, rooftop dining, so that can be a big restaurant and entertainment area. So that is the finished look right here on Kingston Spring Road. When I send up the drone, you guys will see how far you are or how close you are to Dunrobin and halfway through, not very far. Alright guys, and as usual, remember to like. So beside this other commercial property here, 112 Furniture Land, I think Taboo is over there as well. That's a popular nightclub. Remember to like, guys, like the video, that help it to spread. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about the development, what you think about the area. And remember to share as well. Share to a friend, share on your status, share on Facebook, Instagram, wherever your social media is, so we can get more subscribers and more person can see. It's not only crime in Jamaica, cause that's most of what we hear, but we have some great development, both commercial and residential. So it's a drone video, so we're gonna get some drone shots. We're gonna circle the building, and we're just gonna take a look at, you know, adjoining areas, stuff like that. So stay tuned for those drone shots.